Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This afternoon I'm going to make some cornmeal porridge and I'm going to show you exactly what I'm doing, how I make it, and it's the most delicious thing.
Well, these are our ingredients today. We're going to be using yellow cornmeal, and we're going to use cornmeal mix. We're going to use a little salt, ground cinnamon, and milk. And we usually will have some vanilla up here, but we don't have that today. We forgot it at the store. Okay.
No,
First thing you do is you bring the water to a boil and you add some milk to it.
just a little water, not much. It all depends on how much porridge you're going to make. And then I'm going to put some cornmeal into this little container here. And then I'm gonna add some cornmeal mix to it. Not a lot, just a little.
About a third a cup of each cornmeal mix and yellow cornmeal.
And guys, I'm gonna add a little salt. I'm gonna put it in the pot. That's all good. And now I'm gonna use the milk and throw it in the cornmeal and stir it. I'm gonna take all the lumps out of it. You can put a little nut, grate a little nutmeg in it, you know, and if you have cinnamon, you can put a little cinnamon in it too. To make it very delicious. It gives it a nice flavor. And vanilla, but right now, as my wife said, we forget to buy a bottle of vanilla, so we're just going to use what we have. So you get it mixed, get the lump out of it. And for right now, I'm going to turn up the stove at around 8 because I want this to boil up. And then I'm going to pour out this into it.
Show them the consistency of it.
See it here? See, it mix out.
Okay. It's kind of watery, but still have a little.
It's kind of watery for right now, guys, but you will see the result, what it came out to. So, it's going to be all good. I'm going to walk you through it bit by bit. And you can also try it for yourself. It's a very quick meal too. It's very easy. Okay guys, see, now I'm gonna stir it. I'm gonna continue to stir it because I don't want it to have any lumps in it. So I'm gonna keep stirring it. You have to be careful how you stir it because you don't want it to splash on you because it's hot. And I'm gonna turn on the stove a little to around 6 or 8 or 6. And I'm gonna keep stirring it. You remember my wife told her it looked watery? Well, in a few minutes from now, I'm gonna prove to you that it's not water. It's gonna be thickened. See, it's getting there. You don't want it too sweet, guys. So you can put 10 pack of sugar in it, or 8. It's left to how sweet you want it though. You can add any amount of sugar you want. And let me say this to you. You can eat this with bread. What the type of bread you bought the other day in the box?
How about bagels?
Yeah, it's good to eat with bagels. If you ever eat porridge and like 2 boiled eggs in the morning and go to work, oh, it keep you. You're never hungry.
Cinnamon raisin bagels I brought.
And, it's ready, guys. This porridge is ready. So
Go ahead
I'm gonna dish out some for her. She don't want much. That's for her. And then I'm gonna dish out some for me over here. And that's it, guys. So we're just showing you, and this is the porridge. It's very good. As I told you, it's good for you. Come, guys, do you want to taste it with me? It is so nice, guys. It's very nice.
Get another good picture.
These are simple meals, guys. These are good meal. Sunday, hopefully I'm gonna start showing you some of my real cooking. Curry chicken, jerk chicken. I'm gonna do curry chicken Sunday, this coming Sunday, and then further in the week I'm gonna do maybe jerk chicken. I don't know what, but I'm quite sure coming up I'm gonna do some curry chicken, and I'm gonna walk you through it. So the real big thing will be coming up on Sunday, this coming Sunday. Taste it, baby, if it's good. I know it's good.
I'm gonna cool off. It's hot.
You can just skim it from the top.
It's delicious as always. That's good. Just right. You always put just the right amount of everything, sweetener and everything in it. It's delicious.
And guys,
well, thank you guys for tuning in to our channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you again soon.
thank you guys for watching. hope you like my channel. I have a lot more to come. A lot more to come. And you will learn something great from this. And it's gonna finger licking good. Everything is good, guys. Appreciate you. Thank you. Bye-bye.